close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I did a fun eye look using mainly Gourmande Girl's eyeshadow palette. This is, it doesn't have a name on it, but on the back it says ESP31. This palette has a lot of cool tones in it. And a lot of warm mattes in it, so it was very fun. This is the kind of the gold. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, the gold shade that I used. Super pretty. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There you go. Super pretty gold color that I used today on my eyes. And then just some of the browns. I tried the darkest shade in the palette, which is right here. I don't know if it's supposed to be a black. It's more of a gray black. It came out kind of like a lot of blacks do. It's a little bit more on the gray side. But that foil, I'll put it on my hand here. Ooh, so pretty. So I just like how it turned out on the eyes. I can zoom you guys in a little bit. So I focused that on most of the lid and then kept some of the darker of the black on the outside. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. And then of course the lip is, put it away already. It's this right here. I don't know if they make this anymore. It's the rose gold on acid shade, and that's kind of like what it is. Because look at these lips, this is crazy. So it really does. That was left-handed, by the way, and I am right-handed, but it really does bring out the gold on the eyes too. So those really play well together, I think, in this look today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and like my video and check out my other videos as well, and thank you so much.
We'll grow in number.